Recently, the Tourism Ministry met travel associations to discuss the way forward. Here are some of the industry suggestions.
We have suggested by the end of November, we will do a virtual ITM, I think between 26th or 28th of November. We have not got a written confirmation from the ministry, but hopefully we will have the ITM this year. E-visa is there. It should be made free. And it should also be for tourists, for conferences, for business visas, also should be e-visa. That should also restart as fast as possible. If it's not free, it should not be more than $10 or $15, $20.
The big corporates, not only in our country, but everywhere globally, are doing antibody testing for their staff, which is very, very important. Those things need to be established in every business so that we get confidence that I can let you or my staff or myself get into the office.
We should be ready for whatever promotion we need to do. And as soon as the Home Ministry decides to lift the restrictions, we should immediately start those promotions abroad.
The USP of all the states should be, highlighted. Like a lot of our 29 states with the union territories have a lot of USPs their own. They should come after this, the restarting, come with their own USPs.
There should be an automatic extension for 1 year with all the visas, with all the liquor permits, with all the transport permits that are pending.
Every traveler should be carrying an insurance now. Could be domestic, could be international. The insurance should be there to cover his challenges if he's faced with any medical issues, and it should be a must. It should be definitely built into the packages and the bookings.
There should be the prices fixed, which should be commissionable to the travel agents, so that no unhealthy or unscrupulous agents are able to do anything in connivance with the airline staff, because anything that happens, it cannot happen unless and until someone from within the airline, whether it is Air India or any other airline, is supporting that activity.